Welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and it's Monday, September 8th. Well, my head is still spinning around from trying to keep up with all the action that went on, especially this morning. This news, this Fannie Mae news that the government released just sparked such an emotional response in the marketplace. It was hard to get my arms around the market to kind of get a common theme. Yes, you had the Dow up 280 points because the financials are in there and they all acted good. And then you have a darling of a stock, Wall Street's darling, Google, down $24. The NASDAQ market acted not good at all, and very confusing trying to make sense of it all today. And that's what the emotion does, you know. Just people act insane. It's like insanity going, bouncing around. And you know, it may take another day or two for the market to simmer down and get more reasonable, so to speak. But what I think happened was it was just a rally back up into the resistance area. I mean, we all know why they rallied, which once you know the reason for the rally, it sort of negates it right off the bat. The good rallies are the ones that you don't know why they're rallying, you know. But once you know, kind of takes the sting out of it, you know. But we'll see over the next day or two. Right now I'm calling it a relief rally. We'll take a look at the major indexes in the final segment, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. What else did we do today? I sold CORS and I sold Champion. I took advantage of that strength this morning. You know, they may go higher, but I'm happy with the profit. And in doing so and watching those two stocks, I missed getting a short off in HUM. Now I hope some of you got it off because the stock wound up going down about 18 or 20%. Like I said, you had to be fast today, and you know, I'm just not as fast as I used to be. I totally missed getting a short off. I'm watching other things. Anyway, you know, that's why it was a confusing market. Some stocks were rallying up. I figured I had plenty of time to get the short off, and I didn't. The thing went straight down. So that's kind of weird. This is kind of a weird market today. I just couldn't get my arms around the market to come up with a common theme behind it. It was I was confused most of the day. Like I said, my head is still spinning. Okay, what else we got? I have a new idea tomorrow. It's on the short side. The stock is ELX. So in just a moment, I'll show you the chart, and I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. Don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of ELX. This is a call on the short side. Tomorrow we'll be looking to sell it short around $13.23. That's where it closed. Up as high as $13.50. It may lift a little higher in there. My target on the downside is 10. Buy stop would be a close above that area, which is $13.85. So we're risking about 35 or 40 cents to try and make about $3 or $3.50. Okay, so what do I see? Well, I'm sure you recognize it by now. It's the descending triangle. And we've already gotten our breakout here, and now we're getting the kickback. So it's a descending triangle with a breakout, kickback, and then go on the downside again. So let me recap that. That's ELX. It's a call on the short side, and depending on where we sell it short, we can make either $3 or $3.50 in this. Let's take a quick look at the fish that got away. HUM. Straight down. Closed down 14.5%. It's down about 18 or 19% at one time. I missed it, but I hope some of you's got it. All right, let's take a look at the major indexes, and I'll show you why I still think it's just a rally and a relief rally. This is the Dow. Okay, you can see it had quite a good rally, but it's running into this pattern here. This is all resistance. Starts there and goes as high as that. Now I'll show you the hourly chart. I'll show you the pattern that stopped it. It's this pattern right here. Stopped it initially, pushed it back down, and now we've rallied back into it again. And this is the this makes a little more sense as a decent support area when we look at it on an hourly chart. It's all this congestion right in here. Okay, back to the daily. That's the Dow. Transports, you know, for the transports, this index can make pretty big moves, and I don't really think that was much of a move. As a matter of fact, it closed, you know, halfway in between the high and low of the day. So this also looks to me like it's just rallying back up into resistance. We still have this very bearish looking formation here. It's this house with this flat bottom. That's why I'm saying it still to me looks like it's just rallying back up into resistance. Russell 2000, similar look. This is the resistance area, this little pattern right in here, these 4 or 5 days. SPY, same look, rallied back up into resistance. And the QQQs, which is the NASDAQ top 100, it's actually closed down on the day, believe it or not. That's why it was a very difficult market to get a handle on today. It was a lot of cross currents going on. I mean, Google down $24 today. This was our resistance area. We got right to it and then pulled back. That's why I'm saying, well, most of these indexes to me still look like they're just running back up into resistance. It's like a relief rally, so to speak. We'll find out more tomorrow, but as of right now, you know, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.